Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly disable this just in case you want to have more control over those orders before you archive them. So once you're inside the Shopify store, simply click on settings on the lower left hand side. And from here, under the Generals tab, you want to scroll down towards the Order Processing section. Now, you will find an option at the bottom there that says automatically archive the order, and you can go ahead and turn this off by uncheck the box and click on save if you want to turn that off. Now, this is automatically checked because of orders that are fulfilled or paid, and this is automatically set for orders that has been fulfilled, paid, or when those items have been refunded. So you can choose to keep this feature on if this is the approach that you want to take, or if you want to have more control over this, you can go ahead and uncheck the box and basically save it. But that's it guys, very easy and very simple.